Good morning everyone. Hope you are staying safe at home. Myself Alvin Joseph and I will be teaching you computer this year. So we are going to start our syllabus today. So students, you know computers have become an integral part in our life in the form of desktop, laptops, tablets or smartphones. They have been used for simple to complex calculation, instant messaging, video conferencing, virtual reality and much more. Indeed, a computer can be defined as the most brilliant invention by the mankind. Hence, they are being used in various fields like airport, railway, schools, hospitals, military, communication and law enforcement and so on. The word computer derived from the Greek word compute, which means to calculate. It's a machine primarily designed for the storage and retrieval of information, processing of the information and producing the desired output in the desired format. So computer is also called as data processor. So our first chapter is fundamentals of a computer system. So students, our first topic of the chapter is characteristics of a computer. You know how powerful and intelligible machine is a computer. Computer performs various tasks in a quick time and with 100% accuracy. Now we are going to see the certain features and characteristics of a computer system. The first one is speed. Computer is a very fast machine. It takes seconds of time only for doing complex calculation that the humans take hours to complete. The time taken by the computer for doing such instruction is only microseconds. So the next characteristic is diligence. Computer is a machine which can do millions of instructions or calculations with no fatigue, no tiredness and with full 100% accuracy. It can work without introducing any single error in it. And the third one is accuracy. Computer is able to perform 100% accurate processing. It does not make any error. It makes error only if the input given by the user is wrong. And the fourth one is the word versatility, means the ability of the computer to perform different calculations or different type of processing in the same time without any tiredness, fatigue or with the full 100% accuracy. We know computers are used for solving mathematical problems, creating documents, playing movies, playing audios, and the computer is able to do this process at the same time also. So computer is a versatile machine. Next one is reliability. A computer is a reliable machine since it gives the same output for the same set of data. Next one, automation. Computer performs all the processing and calculation automatically by the machine himself without any human or man intervention. So the chances of errors are very less. Next one is vast storage devices. A computer has primary memory which is inbuilt inside the CPU cabinet for storing the data and documents. Computers are able to store data through secondary devices like CDs, DVDs, pen drives, external hard disks also. So computer provides vast storage capacity to store our data, calculation, output, etc. Now students, let us look at the limitations, the main limitations of the computer system. And the first one is not able to take a decision. Computer is only a machine and cannot take a decision by itself. It only works on the instructions given by the user. So it cannot take a decision by itself. And the second one is no IQ. Computers have zero IQ. It works on the step-by-step instructions given by the user. And the third one is incapable to learn and implement. We know humans learn from the past experience and past errors, but the machine computer is not able to learn from the past experience and errors. So until the instructions are correct, the machine processes the information and produce the wrong or incorrect output. So the computer is unable to learn and implement from the past experience and errors made in the past. So students, now we are going to see the main areas where the computers are used in this era. We know in almost all fields, computers have made their own role and they are inevitable today. And the first field that we are going to take in study is education. Most schools in the world have made available computers in the classroom for learning and teaching process. The new technologies and machines have made a challenge to the traditional teaching and learning process. Computers provide a lot of advantages to the education systems. Use of multimedia technologies for the study purpose is one of the main among them. And the computers and the internet enable the students to study anytime at anywhere, irrespective of place or time. And computers helps the teachers in training themselves better. And the next main field is business. Today, business fields depend on computers to reduce their cost and increase the profit their own. Computers are used in business field for financing, budgeting, marketing, payroll, maintaining, sales analysis, and etc. Next field is banking. The modern banking system is meaningless in the absence of computer and network. Every bank provides online facilities for its customers. Recurrent deposit, fixed deposit, online money transfer and other transfers are done using the facility of internet and computer system. The ATM machines that we use for depositing and withdrawing money are also works with the aid of computer system and network. Next field is hospitals. There is no doubt the computer and networking technologies have been a driving force in the healthcare department also. Most hospitals today use diagnostic tools for ECG, EEG, CT scan, ultrasound scan, etc. Next one is in the field of engineering design. Computers have made a huge improvement in the field of engineering design, and one of them is CAD, computer aided design. Computers are used in the field of engineering for the following purposes. First one, town planning. Next one, design of ships, aeroplanes, design of various materials and equipments. Next field is in the field of defense. In the field of defense and military, computers have made a huge improvement and power. For missile control, operation planning, administrative work, forecasting the weather, the computers are used in the defense field. And the next area is communication. Communication is the process of conveying our message to the recipient. So we know the improvements that made in the field of communication by the invention of computers and network. WhatsApp, Instagram, video calling by various servers are the examples of involvement of network and computer in the field of communication. Next one is railway and airports. In railways and airports, computers are used for booking tickets, passenger tracking, inquiry about reservation, and the management of huge financial data. Next one, entertainment field. Computers are widely used in entertainment fields for giving special effects in movies like we see in Jurassic Park, Bahubali, etc. So VFX is the new addition to the entertainment field and the last field is law enforcement. Today, advanced technologies are used by police and other officials for maintaining law and order in the society. DNA testing, fingerprint matching, phone number tracking, call tracking are some of the main technologies used by the police and other officials to maintaining law and order in the society and tracking criminals. So students, that's all for the day. We have discussed about the characteristics and limitations of computer and also the various areas in which the computers are used today. So please feel to clarify any doubts. Stay home, stay safe, have a pleasant day. Thank you.